Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the templates on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the template in your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show. So for that, if you are opening a sheet here, so you just need to change the template. You just go to the design option here. So here you can find all the different type of templates like result and budget and whatever template. For an example, here I just need a budget template. So I just can type as budget and just enter it. You can find all the budget planner. If you just need a budget planner, click on the budget planner. Just click here and here add the template as a new page, or you can just replace the current page. It's just going to replace the current page. So everything has been loaded here. You can also have a templates which is suitable for your work. It will be on the side, or so you can just keep it, or you can just replace it by just drag and drop, or you can just use it whatever you just needed. So you can just double tap here to edit it about the data. You can just see, or you can just change the month and total, and here you can just also change everything. For an example, here I'm just going to change this as 20,000, and this make the changes here. You can see it's changes on the graph. It's so simple to edit the templates. You can just have a more template on the side. This is how you just use the templates on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.